Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to restore some box plaits. As you saw in the video before, I did knotless box plaits on my daughter, and 2 weeks later it's a lot raggedy, so I'm gonna go ahead and restore it. As you can see, I got my babies in the back, of course. I'm a stay-at-home mom. My babies are always around. That's why I do so many voiceovers. But today, I'm gonna do it a little different, and I'm just gonna go with it. I have a special guest, Amora, and of course, come Amir, my baby. Y'all know I love my babies. Anybody that know me, y'all know I love my babies. I'm always with my babies. This is my life right now. Amor, how old are you?
I'm 4.
How old are you, Amir?
I'm 11.
You 11?
I'm 4.
No, you're not.
11.
You're not 11. You're 3 years old.
I'm 4 years old.
And today we're gonna go ahead and do her hair. As you can see, her hair.
You want to do a fun
Look at this hair. Oh my goodness. It was so nice when we first did it. But now this is it after 2 weeks. Of course, her hair grows pretty fast. The braids still look good. Okay, but it's the roots. Put your head down, baby. Down. This is what we want to recover. Okay, so the products that we're going to be using are really simple. We're simply going to use rubber bands, beeswax. This is my favorite by far, and it's the cheapest. It's only $3 probably, and some change. But for braiding, it works like magic. Yeah. And a little ragtail comb or a small tooth comb. This one is broken, but I don't need this part. I need
that black comb.
No, Amir. You're not getting the black comb. This is for mommy to do hair, okay? Thank you. Yes. So we're gonna use this to smooth it out. Okay, so I'm gonna start by taking the edge wax and placing it all around the braid, making sure the parts are straight and intact. I'm gonna smooth it with the small tooth comb and then wrap it with the elastic. I'm only using one elastic. I'm not doing doubles because that's too much for her hair. She is a 4-year-old, so I'm very mindful of that when I do her hair. So I use one rubber band, and it's like a thin rubber band. It's not so thick, so it won't break her hair. Yes, and I never pull it too tight. I always wrap it just enough so it can be nice and slick, but not so tight that it will hurt her or cause her to have like the bumps, you know, the bumps that come with tight ponytails. Yeah, we don't want that. As I continue, notice that I am making sure that the parts are precise. I'm gonna comb through, slick, and repart it, resection it, or whatever you want to say. And you may get some hair like that comes out of the braid, you know, but like especially around the edges, you may get some hair that comes out, but you can simply just put some of the edge wax and wrap it around the actual braid, and you'll see that in like the next few seconds how I did it exactly. You'll see here's the excess hair, and I just wrapped it around. Simple and easy. I'm just continuing on to the back, the same process, and just making sure those parts are straight and that the hair isn't hanging out of it. This process was really easy and it took me less than 20 minutes to do our whole head. And I thought that was really good. It saved me so much time because it took a whole 2 hours to put it in, and to save it, it took less than 20 minutes. So that's cool. So this is the finished look. Just touching up a few places, but this is basically it, and it looks 100% better than before. I'm just doing the last minute touches, slicking those edges again with the beeswax. Whoa, not beeswax, edge wax. It just looks like beeswax. I keep saying beeswax. Here's a closer look. She looks so cute. She's always so cute. And I'm not just saying that because she's my baby. She is so cute. Yes, but the hair came out nice. Yeah.
Subscribe to our channel and watch this